Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB so you can install Windows 11, 10, and any other Windows OS on your USB. So this is mainly going to be for Windows 10 and 11 though. So as long as you have a USB, the USB that I have is this drive right here. Actually, it's 128 gig. It's 128 gig for 15 balls. So I definitely recommend this. I would get it if I was you. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. But once you have a USB, I'm gonna put the link in the description below too. So Windows 11, well, Microsoft with Windows 10 actually had an installation assistant, and with Windows 11, it's no stranger anyway, because Windows 11 also has a installation assistant. So have your USB inside your computer, right? And then you're going to want to go to create Windows 11 installation media. There is one for Windows 10, so if you search that up, there's also a Windows 10 one. But for Windows 11, we're going to click this here. And yeah, so you're going to hit download now. And then once you hit download now, it's going to start downloading. Once we get to that step, we'll go back to the next screen here. Alright, so we officially got to the Windows 11 setup screen. So it's saying it's getting a few things ready. So once this screen pops up, we'll get to the next step. Alright, we're going to accept this. Alright, we'll use recommend options for this PC. We'll use a USB flash drive. Yep, needs to be at least 8 gigs, which is cool. Alright, it says E no label. That's my drive right there. So that's cool. So now it is about to configure the USB, and it's downloading Windows 11 now on a USB on our E drive. And just so we are sure of that, you can go down to your file explorer and go to your USB. So I have USB E here, so it's going to do that here for us. Yeah, so I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, and it looks like the USB is ready now. So now the USB should be a Windows 11 USB to where you can install it on any device. So let's go to our drive here, and let's go to our flash drive, and it looks like Windows 11 is on there. Awesome. All right, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.